from Stettin in the Baltic to Trieste in the Adriatic. An iron curtain has fallen across the continent. You want to hear more about it? On the 5th day of March, it's a Thursday at 7 p.m., I will be speaking. It is this celebration at the America's National Church and Museum in Fulton, Missouri, of the Iron Curtain speech 80 years ago. I gave those words and many more. I hope you'll join me. It is a very simple process, evidently, to order some tickets. You will hear about the rise of tyranny once again, and how relevant those words still ring to this day. Don't just sit down. Get yourself up, order the tickets immediately, and what fun we'll have. And don't forget, my friends, keep buggering on.